Assalamualaikum students. So today I will solve exercise 1b, one part from each question. So in question number 1 I will solve part E. So the question is, express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. So how to solve these fractions actually? So let's learn about it. Question number 1 part E 4a. Okay, 4a over x minus 3y as it is, plus you can make second denominator as x minus 3y by taking 3 common. If you will take 3 common, it will become x minus 3y. So now what you can do, now you can take 3x minus 3y as a LCM, or you can also say that you have to make the denominator same. So let me explain you with an easiest method how you will make the denominator same, because you can see this is 3 here, so you have to make 3 here as well. So how you will make? By multiplying numerator and denominator with 3. So you will multiply with numerator and denominator with 3, and now 4 12a over 3 into x minus 3y. Now you can see our denominators are same, 3x minus 3y. So now you can take LCM easily. So what is the LCM here? 3 into x minus 3y is the LCM, because both denominators are same. So in numerators you will add 12a plus 3a. So what is the common in numerator? 3 is common, 3a is common. So here 3, okay, sorry, what you have to do here, 12a plus 3a, you can add them actually. So 12 plus 3 is 15a over 3 into x minus 3y. So now you can cut down this 3 and 15. So how you will cut down them? 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So your final answer will be 5a over x minus 3y. That is your answer. This is the way how you will solve it. Okay, so let's do next question. Question number 2. So I will solve last part of this question. Express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. So question number 2, H part, that is 2 over n minus 2 plus 3 over n minus 2 whole square. Okay, let's start solving. So if this is square, so what you have to do, you have to make square here as well, right? So how you will make square? You will take square in numerator and denominator, or you can say actually you have to multiply with n minus 2 in numerator and denominator. So 2 n minus 2, and in denominator you will multiply with n minus 2 to make the denominators same. So n minus 2 whole square. So here what you have done, you have to multiply with n minus 2 and divide it with n minus 2 as well. In numerator and denominator you have to multiply with n minus 2 actually. So now what you have to do, you have to simplify them. If you will multiply 2 with n minus 2, you will get 2n minus 4. So 2 n minus 4, you will multiply them, and in denominator it will become n minus 2 whole square plus 3 over n minus 2 whole square. Now you can see our denominators are same, so you will take LCM, n minus 2 whole square LCM, and 2n minus 4 plus 3 numerators will be combined. Now you will simplify them. 2n minus 1 over n minus 2 whole square. That is your answer. Okay, so question number 3, part F, I will solve. You can see again the question is solve each of the following equations. So these are the equations. How to solve the fractional equations. So I will explain you here. Look at part F. So first step is that you have to make the denominator same. How you will make the denominator same? Their common factor is 42. 7 6 are 42, so 42 comes in the table of 6, 7 and 14 as well. So 42, you will make denominators 42. Like if you will multiply 6 with 7, you will get 42. 5 will also be multiplied with 7. 7 will be multiplied with 6 to get the 42, and 6 will also be multiplied with 6. 14 will be multiplied with 3 to get the 42. 9 will also be multiplied with 3. This will be your first step. So 7 5s are 35 over 42h plus 6 6 are 36 over 7 6 are 42h minus 9 3s are 27 over 42h is equal to 4. 4 will remain as it is. So what we have done in this step, we made the denominators same by multiplying with 7, 6 and 3. So now what you will do, your denominators are same, so you can easily take LCM. 42h is the LCM. 35 plus 36 minus 27 is equal to 4. Okay, if we will solve 35 plus 36 minus 27, you will get 44 over 42h is equal to 4 as it is. And now we will cancel them. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 1s are 2. 22 over 21h is equal to 4. Now you will do cross multiplication. 22 is equal to 21h multiplied by 4. 22 is equal to 84h, and h is equal to 22 over 84. If you will cancel them, you will simplify them. 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. So what is the value of h? 11 over 42. So this is the answer. So in question number 3, actually they are asking to solve each of the following equations. What does solving equation means? It means that the variable that is involved in the question, you have to find the value of that variable. Like in part A is the variable, you have to find the value of A in part A. In part B is involved, you have to find the value of B, because these are equations and they are asking to solve them. So equation solving means you are going to find the values of the variable that are involved in the question. Okay, so question number 3. Okay, what's about question number 4? I will solve one question of one part of question number 4 as well. So let's solve part A of question number 4. 5 over 2 into A minus B plus 4 over 3 into B minus A. Okay, so now what you will do, start solving it. You can see that these two brackets are not, their signs are not same. So what you have to do, how you will make their signs same, by taking negative common. You can take negative common from this bracket and your signs will become same. How? Let me explain you. 5 over 2 into a minus b will remain as it is. Both signs are different, so you will make them same by taking negative common. Plus 4 over 3, and negative 1 common means you can just take common like that. So it will become, now signs of a and b will be changed. A will become positive and b will become negative by taking negative common. So this is the way how you can make their signs same. If two brackets have different signs and you have to make their signs same, so you have to take negative common from one bracket, and your both brackets will become, the signs of both brackets will become same. Okay, now you can see that the denominators are a minus b and a minus b are same, but this is 3 and this is 2. So what we will do, to make them same, we have to multiply this one with 3 and this one with 2. We have to make them 6, because 6 is the common factor of 3 and 2. So what you will do now, 5 and 2, 5 will be multiplied with 3, and this will also be multiplied with 3. 4 will be multiplied with 2, and this will also be multiplied with 2. So your next step will be 15 over 6. A minus b will remain as it is. 3 and 2 will be multiplied. Okay, and plus and minus signs will be multiplied. Plus and minus will be multiplied, so it will become negative here. 4 2s are 8 over 3 2s are 6. 3 and 2 will be multiplied 6. A minus b. So this is the way how you will solve this step. This sign will be multiplied with this sign, please remember. So it will be solved here. Okay, now you can see our denominators became same. So now 6 a minus b is your LCM, and 15 minus 8 will be in numerator. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 over 6 into a minus b. So this is your simplified form here, because this is not the equation, so you just have to simplify these fractions. We cannot simplify it further, so this will be your final answer. So I hope that you are clear with this concept, that how to uh, express following fractions as a